Hey, I'm Jen Runyon. We're here at DISTRIBUTECH 2020, and I am talking to our top Initiate winner, Sven. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
I'm so glad you're here. So this year at Initiate, we had 21 companies participate. Out of those 21, we narrowed it down to 3 finalists. Sven's company was one of those, and then we picked one top winner, and that was also Sven's company. So Live EO, tell us what it does. What are you all about?
Yeah, first of all, we're very happy that we've won. So Live EO is an Earth observation company, and what we do is we help utilities on the entire globe to deal with one of their biggest problems, which is vegetation management.
Okay. All right, so I hear it's about you're using satellites, you're using some space technology.
That's true.
Tell me more about that.
Yeah, so satellites are amazing, and over the past couple of years we have seen an explosion in satellites, which produce a lot of data of the entire Earth. What we do is we take satellite data, Earth observation images, and analyze them for the purpose of vegetation management. So if you see, utilities have a lot of overhead lines, sometimes hundreds of thousands of miles. And what we do is we identify exactly where trees are a potential danger for these overhead lines, and identify exactly where utilities and the vegetation management crews have to take action. So if you have a network of 10,000 miles, 100,000 miles, we tell you exactly the 50,000 spots, the 10 spots where you really have to cut back the tree or do some vegetation management work.
Wow, so do you have some clients now that you can talk about? Maybe not by name, but how are your utilities using it?
So what we've done is we, for example, already analyzed multiple tens of thousands of miles of railway grid and electricity grid. So the use case for railways is the same. Trees shouldn't fall on railways.
Yes.
So we've analyzed the entire German railway grid on a country scale, which is really interesting because it's very difficult to analyze satellites on a country scale.
Yeah.
But we've done projects in Germany and in Europe with some of the biggest utilities there, E.ON. We've conducted projects here in the US together with AEP and EPRI. And right now we are here and setting up our US office and expanding to bring this satellite-powered solution to more utilities in the United States and Canada.
Excellent. Well, congratulations on your win.
Thank you
How
very
does
much.
it feel to have won Initiate?
It's really great. It's really great. And it's really nice to be here in San Antonio. So that's a perfect ending for a great conference here, and I'm looking forward to come back to the next DISTRIBUTECH next year.
That's right, great, because they won a free booth. So
yeah, right.
We'll see you next year, hopefully,
That's super cool.
and thank you so much, Sven.
Thank you very much for having us.